good, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another video. Z, where you going, bro? Z in the mix?
Good.
Yo, Z's always mad awkward in the beginning. Alright guys, we're back in Z's house. I feel like we've been here for the last like 4. Yo, I should just bring my bed and move in, you know?
Yeah, bro.
He told me to come through and we're gonna do the interior of the BRZ again. As you guys saw, maybe in the past videos, I have a suede interior with carbon fiber vinyl wrap. And we're gonna rewrap the dash piece because it's, in some parts, it's noticeable that it's like
looking a little saggy.
It's looking a little saggy. Yeah, exactly. So my man Z told me, you know, he's got all the materials, so I figured we'd come here and do it at his crib. And he also just got his car dynoed. It's not 100% where it's gonna be, but
it's not my final form.
It's exactly. And we're probably gonna go for a little ride later, so I'll show you guys how that is. Oh, dude, actually, did you wrap this?
No, I think
it's not this.
I have actually one inside.
Let's see it. Is it finished?
Yeah, but it's like half-assed.
Half-assed.
Everything I do is
Nice.
like that.
Oh yeah, actually, is that where it came through? No, that's dirt.
So like this, like, see right here, the glue came through. So certain places. I mean, it's not noticeable. I can like still put this in. Yeah. So my plan was to originally wrap this black suede, and then I actually have black leather, like Napa leather. So I was gonna wrap these, the plastic pieces with that.
Man, that would look nice.
Yeah, when I get a chance, maybe I'll do a try when I get a chance.
Yeah, why not, dude?
Oh, yeah,
I think it'll look nice. I'm gonna show you guys my interior real quick. I want to know what you guys want us to do with the interior, because honestly, I was gonna wrap all the pieces today, because even the carbon is coming up and it's looking kind of saggy. I wanted to know what you guys want to see. If you guys want to have us wrap, how you doing? If you guys want to see us wrap the whole like dash and the whole middle console part and like all the interior pieces, let us know in the comment section what you guys want to see, and we'll try to do it for you guys. If you guys want to see us wrap it in carbon fiber again, then we'll rewrap it and we'll make a video about it. But if not, we'll just do it all in suede and have the full interior suede. What would you do, Z? What? Would you just rewrap the carbon, or?
Yo, I think carbon's getting played out.
So rewrap everything in suede?
Yeah, suede's the new wave.
Suede's the new wave?
The problem with carbon, like, everybody's been doing it.
Yeah. And it's wrapped, you know, it's not like it's actual carbon.
Yeah, like interior carbon, if it's not real, it just looks kind of cheesy.
Yeah, like mine. And let me know in the comment section what you guys think, and we'll be sure to make that for you guys. So I mean, there's not really anything special. I was gonna do a before and after cinematic shots, but I'll do just the after cinematics. I'll show you guys what it looks like right now, so you guys can see what I'm referring to. So right here, it's kind of coming up, as you can see. Hold on, focus, damn it. There you go. It's coming up right here. Right here it looks a little saggy, and some corners are coming out a little bit, and even right here, it's a little dusty. If you see that right there, it's a little crushed. So we're just gonna redo this whole panel, and plus his is black. This is more like a dark gray, so I think that black will look nicer with all the black pieces inside. Oh, this is what I was referring about my carbon fiber wrap. It's coming off here, and I didn't do that good of a job when I did this, so it kind of looks like caca, and over there it looks like doo-doo as well. See if we can get it to focus. You can see it looks like doo-doo right there. So let me know if you guys want to see us wrap that full interior in suede and just have that whole suede interior. I think that would look nice. And even wrap this center console piece in suede too. I think that'll look nice as well. Maybe even these pieces. Just wrap the whole interior in suede. Even wrap the steering wheel in suede. Everything's suede, my guy. Even the underwears. Just kidding. Yeah. Just pop it off like that. Nothing to really worry about. This one, you can just pull from here, and it should come off like that. And yeah, this is my garbage work from last time. You guys remember? Look at that. Looks like ass. Jesus Christ. So we're gonna redo this bad boy. That's what you have here?
Yeah. It's cheap. Yeah. It has pretty good working time. It doesn't dry right away, but it does get tacky pretty quick. Yeah.
Damn, as you guys can see, this is some of the adhesive that was left on from the last time. Oh, yeah, last couple of times actually. Clean that off first. Yeah, take that shit off. But yeah, so we're gonna use this. Z says this is more permanent, so there's no going back after this. Oh yes. Oh, dude, look at how much suede this nigga has.
I confuse inches with feet.
What?
Yo, but just go to like a Joann's fabric place and grab the yard. They'll give you a yard for like $10. Yeah, you ain't got no yard, nigga.
It can bleed through.
Yeah.
And it does get tacky pretty quick. Just don't get it on shit, especially don't get it on the fabric because it's gonna like pain in the ass to get off.
Yeah.
Like just put a thin layer on there. Like just make sure it's wet.
Okay.
But remember, the thinner you put it, the more it's gonna like show.
The thicker?
Like the more thinner you put it, the quicker it's gonna dry.
Oh, dry.
So you better just do the middle first, and then work your way out. On like especially large pieces like this.
Yeah. Because it'll dry quick.
Yeah, and then just lay it right on top in the middle. Yeah, and then just keep smoothing it out where it is, and like put pressure on it. And then you just pull it back to wherever it is. There. So now you just start brushing and putting it at the same time. So you brush, push it in. Get this section done and then do the edges at the end. On this shit.
All right, guys. So we're at this point right now. We're pretty much done. Let me show you what this side looks like. We're pretty much done. It looks pretty good. Way better than the first time. Z did a freaking outstanding job on this. He just has to come back and finish cutting it. So we're gonna let it sit and dry up like that, and then we're gonna go grab something to eat, and we're gonna see how this thing is driving. He's gonna take us for a drive. I'm gonna bring you guys along and show you my reactions. Z says that it feels like a little slower than what it used to.
It is slower, literally, but
it is slower.
Just that I have to wait.
He's got to do a couple things to it.
Yeah, so basically I need to change my coil packs and re-get my plugs. My coil packs are literally probably as old as the cars, which is 14 years old.
Boy.
Give me a warning, yo. This is bum ass nigga, yo. Yo, this thing is so loud, yo. Yo, why does it sound like that?
It's dumps from the turbo.
Oh, okay. Damn, that's and it's right on this side too, yo. This nigga, yo. Oh my god. This nigga is ripping it right now. Jesus Christ. Yo, this nigga is bugging. Oh my god. Yo, chill. Yo, you gotta chill out, yo.
I have complete confidence in my vehicle.
I was not ready for this, bro.